This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
Imagine feeling the weight of a sky-high rent every time you pedal through Manhattan. Ground truth retrofitted Citi bike docks with programmable magnetic brakes that crank up resistance in high-rent neighborhoods, turning data into a physical drag. The system pulls real-time rent burden stats from NYC open data, converting a 70% rent-to-income ratio into a 10 to 15% extra pedal effort, letting riders experience the strain in seconds. In just 2 weeks, the experiment logged 12,000 rides, nudging commuters to shorten trips by 12% and sparking a citywide conversation about housing inequality. The magnetic clutch is a low-cost, battery-powered unit that receives commands via a secure API, ensuring safety while still delivering that moment of frustration riders feel when a rent check never balances. Social media erupted with bewildered amusement and earnest reflection, turning a simple bike ride into a catalyst for policy dialogue. Follow ChainMind for more stories where technology makes the invisible visible.